Hi guys, with all these new releases of Plasma 6, the mega release, and all the fixes that will follow, I went to look at our own project, which is ariser.eu. So NeoFetch, this is pure Arch. And the Falcon is, I think it is there. And what we're talking about is ariser.eu. So this is a side project, and this is its website where we use the technology to build an Arch Linux ISO pure, and add a folder from Pico, and with that folder we type ALIS, and off we go. We've got ourselves this. So build or download, and it's now uploading to the internet. Yes, I accept Sierra. So as you see, here are the old ones, and we are today 10.3, so we'll get 03.10 in a bit. And the ISO will be there to download and watch some videos. Basically type ALIS, and you get this. The plasma that Pico envisages, wow, sees that he wants to have, and it contains a lot of meta packages in there. So if you want to change that, then there is a project in the website as well, and that's area. So change any of our settings and build your own ISO, and what you get, an unattended, and that's a selling point, I think, an unattended system of pure Arch, and it's efficient, it's pre-configured, you can install thousands of times, and you just walk away, because it is really does not need you. It only needs you to type ALIS, yes, yes, done, and then you can walk away. So what do we get? This is our system. Let's have a look. All these applications. In graphics we find all of this. In internet we find Falcon for one, but anglefish, alligator, K-trip, Tocodon, multimedia stuff, ELISA is there, MPV is there, Plasma Tube is there. So maybe there are things in here that you say, oh, I didn't know that existed, right? So sudo pacman -s or yay, and then look for it. So it's all part of meta packages. Arch Linux Meta, and then you Google and you find there are lots of Plasma things. Let's look at the weather. It's too cold. It just came from outside. It's better to stay just inside and do some stuff. Some coding. Antwerp. There are different kind of Antwerps, but it's Belgium, of course. Blah. F is just doesn't make sense. Does not ring a bell at all. Celsius. Okay, that's better. So cold. It's not gonna be any better. 16 by Thursday. Okay, fine. So there you go. Just showing you that this particular ISO is still going online. 14, 11 seconds, 9 seconds, but still then it's about its source forge that needs to release them. So here is the checksum already, this one is already there, this one is already there, and the ISO is just finished. But then, right, he's gonna try and scan the ISO for whatever bugs or viruses there are in the world, but he'll soon know that it's an ISO, right? And this is more or less the size. Today maybe a new kernel and all that, just a week ago, so won't be that much. And then you decide, and then say, okay, let's try this out. It's basically pure Arch and another way to install. There's the just type it away thing, there is the Arch install, now there's Alice, and that's basically what we do. If you watch ArcoLinux.info, look at all those stores, then the only thing we're here for is to teach you to stay in control of your Arch Linux system. And there are 56 ways to install Arch. That's what we teach you with all the ISOs, with the Kali project, with the Ariser. This is Sierra, with 7 ISO and ALCI, and then of course the ArcoLinux ISO itself and the Arch install script from ArcoLinux. All thoughts, all in the University of ArcoLinux. All right, enjoy.